Well, 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 is that the low, or is that just the halfway point before we see continuation down and a bear market begin and devastation across the board? Well, I couldn't really tell you, to be fair. We were marveling at Litecoin, and I think I wanted to make a video on this today because a couple of weeks ago we were talking about how Litecoin is better than most charts and all these new next best thing or meme coins and stuff. Just look horrendous. We were looking at them on the live stream last night. Some of these coins retraced 99.9%, something along those lines. In the 99s% retraced from the top to the high, from the high to the current price. It's unreal, but it is what it is. When you see someone like Litecoin, and I'm not sort of saying that buy Litecoin today, become rich tomorrow. I'm not saying that at all, but it's amazing, isn't it, how sometimes a chart really can hold up despite the chaos that takes place around it. Speaking of which, I'm not going to make a video on Litecoin today. I'm going to talk about Ethereum and what it might mean for the rest of the altcoin market. I know it's not going to work out as far as being popular is concerned, and I'm not saying it because it has to be true. When you're trading, when you're looking at charts, you do have to think about what it is that you're seeing and recognize that you only have this to go by, really, not much more. So the world is in sort of turbulence with Trump's sort of tariff threats and all this kind of madness. Markets have sold off dramatically, and Ethereum has come down to a 200 exponential on a weekly. We saw this sort of thing around here before, around sort of September, October, November, with that big alt season that we got back there before the second wind of the alt season that took around here. It is a low, it is a high, it's a higher low, it's a higher high, it's a higher low. Technically still an uptrend, believe it or not, although a pretty wonky one, but it is still one. So what we look for in any kind of sort of major downtrend like this is, do we have any bullish divergence? Yes, we do. Bang, bang, we've got bullish divergence on the money flow index. Just one drive, a simple drive, but that's all we've got. We do have it. Sometimes that's all it takes. On the daily, do we have it? Yeah, we do. Bang, bang, bang. So we do have it on the daily also. We don't have it on the 4 hourly. Now let me show you something about Ethereum as well, which is the Ethereum to Bitcoin pair. Again, if I'm sort of boring you, let me know. But what we're seeing here on the daily is bullish divergence, bang, 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 on this horizontal. Now, it's not neat, it's not perfect, it's rough and ready, but it does exist. And it dates back to some significant situations that took place for Ethereum. So we've got the candle body highs, you've got the candle body low, you got a massive bounce, you got another bounce here, bang, and then another one here, and then a breakdown and a resistance all around this trend line here, this 0.027 and thereabouts. Then you got to move up and a bounce and up, up and away. And what do we have down here? Big bullish divergence, even on the RSI as well. So it exists, right? Divergence isn't the key, neither is the support. They're both clues. We'll only know if it works out, and then obviously we will sort of make a song and dance about how awesome we are about getting it right. It doesn't actually have to work out, but if it does work out, we'll always know in hindsight, because we'll have been able to look at these charts and say, okay, well, this is what this said, and that is it. So there's nothing much more to say than that. I'll leave with you there. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Take it easy.